Step 38. Connect the door to the shed. So you start by leaning the door at an angle, putting the feet into these grooves. Then you push the top of the door towards the sliding rails, and you put these special blue screws you screw them into the plastic sliders. Be sure not to over tighten because you are tightening against plastic. The screws go into plastic. The rails are plastic. So you do that with 2 screws for each rail. I think I need to tighten this one a little more, but I think it's okay. I did not want to over tighten. Oh, by the way, I was supposed to put this part K in like that somehow to block the doors from crossing over to the other side. But so far, the doors catch like that. They catch, so they don't want to go past the halfway mark. But that's I could always I missed this step. It was not written in the manual. It was a separate flyer. I thought I could have gotten to a point where I could have put this in, but I don't want to bend my frame to force K into here, which is I would have tried to put it in this way, like this. But there's no room between the beams right now. Maybe one day I'll get a plate the same size as this and just put it in just to make sure that it doesn't slide over to the other side. But both doors actually catch on the end of the frame of the door, so they don't go past the middle. And when you open the door, the handles catch on the side, so it doesn't go past. This one actually fits in, but I'm not gonna force it. But the sliding doors, these are sliding doors. This one is a little snug. I think I probably put this, the left door is a little snug. I think I probably put it in a little, screwed maybe too tight. I don't know, but it works. And then this one, and then now the doors are closed, and I can put a lock that I have over this to lock it in. And there are 2 holes, actually a few holes, 3 holes, and you can lock it if you wish. But the doors are complete and works. So next step is step 39, which is putting plastic over the ends or the tips of the screws that protrude into the shed to avoid getting poked or pricked by the points.